Alright, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I would like to talk about how to enter the service mode for this all the model of Sony CRT TVs. Okay, normally as you see other videos or what, they will tell you you must use the original remote control. Only you can do this. Okay, but the way to do it, the step to do it is actually you must put it on standby mode first, the first thing, and this is the step for you to do. Okay, the original remote you can press on the display and then you press 5 and then volume up and then you on. But on this type of modern 4K TV Sony remote or any compatible remote, there is no such thing as display button. So you need to press info instead. This one, info. So I'll try it out. Info 5, volume up and on. Wait a while. This is the steps. Alright. Okay. As it is turned on, if you successfully went into the service mode, you can see actually this. Behind is the test suite that I run from my super platform, right? Remember to go and Google and download the service manual for your particular Sony Trinitron model. Okay. Generally, okay, when you want to change what the settings. Like example, you press 1 and 4 to go up and down. 1 and 4 to go up and down. You can see this all this, okay, all this is written in the service manual. Okay, what is it? So remember, when you want to change the setting, you it's recommended that you take the picture first so that you know the this is the value, the initial value. All right. Okay, as you can see, my remote control 1 and 4 is to change what kind of setting, and this 3 and 6 is actually to plus minus. You see, 3 and 6. You can see the value changing. Okay. So after you're satisfied with the value or what, then in order to save the setting, okay, you need to press the mute. Okay, after you press the mute, then you press the 0. Then here it will write something like save lah. Okay, I'll show on other TV. Same step. Okay. Info. Okay, again. Info 5, volume up and on. Okay, let's wait. Okay, this is the service mode. Same thing like just now. And that's all I want to share today for how to enter the service mode. Display or info, fine, volume up, on. Make sure to put on standby first. Actually, the service mode you can you can do the vertical, go up, go down, resize the vertical or move the vertical, and then horizontal as well. You can move it or you can resize it. It's very useful to make your screen look nice. Okay. This test suite is available for most of the retro console. You can download the ROM, very small size, and put it in the flash drive lah. Something like EverDrive. Okay, this one is like example grid. Can use this to calibrate the screen. Can use the service mode, like just now I taught you. It is very useful if you have this suit. Okay. Another one is convergence. This is very important as well to check your TV. This test suit is useful if you can use it before you buy a TV or after that to do alignment. I think that's all for today. For today, I'm not talking about Super Famicom, just talking generally about CRT and how to enter Sony Trinitron service mode. Thank you very much and have a nice day.